Hi guys, welcome to Envision, where everything is made easier for you. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share to your friends. Today we have experienced bee abscond. We are going to share the reasons why bees abandon the hive and how we can restore them if identified, like mine here. First, check whether there might be an intruder inside, like lizard, snail, waxmoth and any other insects if may be. As you plan your apiary, it's essential to understand that honeybees have many predators and natural enemies. From bears to varroa mites, honeybees face some powerful opponents in their quest to survive and thrive. The key to protecting your honeybees from predators, parasites, and pests is creating a plan to keep them away from your hives and to take further action if and when it becomes necessary. The reasons we might say made the bees not to settle in this hive are 1. Dirt and smelly hive. 2. Death by 1,000 cuts. Some beekeepers call it progressive absconding or altruistic suicide. Instead of all the bees leaving together, they leave one by one. They are so uncomfortable or so sick, they try to escape. 3. House hunting goes awry, your bees might leave. But to my case it seems different, where the colony has hanged below the hive. With me here, I have decided to bring in a clean hive to replace the one with bees. In most scenario we have been moving bees from one hive to another with frames. For those who don't understand about this hive, Langstroth hive is any vertically modular beehive that has the key features of vertically hung frames, a bottom board with entrance for the bees, boxes containing frames for brood and honey, the lowest box for the queen to lay eggs, and boxes above where honey may be stored, and an inner cover and top cap to provide weather protection. But today we are dealing with the brood or chamber part and the top cover, and maybe queen excluder, optional. As you can see, we have placed the new hive next to the abandoned one to try whether the bees will manage to identify it. Remember, when bees are moved shorter distances, about 2 miles or less, foraging bees returning to their old location can be an issue. If the hive is only moved a few feet or over 2 miles, the bees will normally adjust with no problem. Otherwise, they may clump up on the ground where their hive was or fly around confused. Let's now replace and dislocate the attached bees and put them to the new hive and interchange the hives. We have done this to confuse them. This was the abandoned hive with stick and smelly substance. Take it and wash with warm water to remove the odor, and apply the lemongrass for the new bees to come in, making the farmer to smile. If you have not subscribed, please take your 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button. I can now smile. My bees are happy, planning to enter into a new home. I hope this tutorial has been educative to you, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.